Alright, so if your Google Nest Doorbell battery is only showing you the live view, but it isn't recording any videos or even history, let's go ahead and see how to fix it and get all your recording working again. So for that, open the Google Home app, go to Devices, select your Nest Doorbell, and first of all, make sure the camera is turned on from this live view. If it's off, just turn it on manually. Now next, tap on the hamburger menu, go to Quiet Time option. Just in case if quiet time is enabled, tap Stop to turn it off. Now look over the live view and tap on this battery icon. Now go to More Battery Settings at the bottom. Now here you're going to make sure Automatic Battery Saving is turned off, as it can limit recordings. Now next, open Battery Usage, and you're going to select More Recordings. But keep in mind, this may reduce battery life on your device. Now let's go back to the live view, tap on the screen, then tap the gear icon. From there to Settings. Now scroll down and enter Events. And then if Turn on History button is showing, just tap on it. And then turn it on from the pop-up. Now go back one step and enter Wake Up Sensitivity and set it to High. Now then open Maximum Event Length and set it to the maximum available option, that is 3 minutes. But please remember, although this records longer events, but it may use more battery. Now let's go back one step and open Event Settings. Enable all the categories you want the camera to record, especially people, packages, animals, and motion. So it starts recording every supported event. Now let me close the Google Home app. I'm going to just press once on the ringer to test. And if I go back to the live view, as you can see, the event history is starting to populate in here. And if you go to the settings of your Nest Doorbell, you can view all your recordings in the device history section, where you can filter events by category or browse recordings by date. But whatever it is, the important thing is your doorbell has started recording once again. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.